Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid.
Alright friends, so this is the video of us getting from 0 to 100. As you can see, her hair is already messed up. Mom life, child life. If you like this type of video, it's just fun, get ready with us kind of video, make sure to hit that like button. Give a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up.
Look right there. Hit that subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed already. Make sure to leave comments letting us know what other videos you'd like to see. And if you like the little hair tutorial that I included in this, let me know. We can definitely do more, right? We could do a lot more things with her hair. Obviously not mine. Mine's gone. So let us know in the comments down below. We thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
You're not even being seen. Can you stand up?